Hey guys, long time no see. So it is Sadie's today and I decided I'm gonna vlog it, like my getting ready, and then I'm not actually going to the dance because my group didn't want to. So we're just gonna take pictures, go to dinner, and hopefully find something to do after. So I'll vlog some of that and then let's just get ready. So I don't like vlogging my bathroom because it doesn't have very good lighting, but this is kind of the only thing. This is what we're working with right now. I'm in my robe again. I feel like I'm in my robe a lot when I'm vlogging. That's just because I'm always like getting ready for something. But let me just give you like a rundown of what I've done today. So it's already 3:30 right now. Pictures are at 4:30, so I have an hour to get ready. But this morning I went to the mall because I needed some shoes for my dress. So went to the mall super quickly, just found the shoes, like paid and got out. So we were literally only there for like 10 minutes. And then Patrick had a rec basketball game today, so I went to that. And like rec basketball is a weirdly popular and like big thing at our school. Don't ask why, I don't know, but it's like really competitive and like intense. So a lot of us went to that game, and now I'm back now, and it's time to get ready. My dress is already altered. I fake tan. I got my nails and toes done yesterday. They're just black, and then we're gonna go makeup right now, but first I'm gonna brush my teeth because that like starts my getting ready process always. I always brush my teeth. I'm gonna do my makeup on my floor. I have a little like setup going here. My mirror is like in this upper corner, so if I keep looking this direction, then you know why. As I said before, I am fake tanned. And I primed, actually no, I didn't prime. I moisturized my skin this morning, so I'm not gonna put any more moisturizer on just because I don't want to overdo it. Let's start with a little bit of a Fix Plus. Max 30 minutes to do this. Okay, that's kind of stressful. I'm gonna take my Light Master Primer by Giorgio Armani. I'm just gonna take it with my beauty blender. Good enough. I don't really use primers. I'm just doing that just because I found it in my mom's room, so I figured I might as well. Usually I use my Lumi Glotion as a base, so I'm gonna use a little bit of that. I use the darkest shade normally, but I'm in the second to darkest shade right now. I'm just putting that on just on the places where I want more glow, because I have a lot of fake tan on and I don't want to make myself any more tan because then it's just gonna look unnatural. Next, we're gonna go in with Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. And I believe this is also a Giorgio Armani. Yeah, it is Giorgio Armani, but I don't know what it is. It looks like a glowy bronzing thing. Oh yeah, that's exactly what it is. Okay, so I put 2 pumps of foundation to 1 pump of that bronzing thing, and then I also bought these Revolution Makeup London Bronze Gold. Oh, my stuff's rolling away. Bronze Gold, I guess like illuminating liquid. So if you guys know what the Cover FX dewdrops are, I'm gonna do, something's coming out. 1 drop of that. This was $6 and the Cover FX ones are $44, I believe. I'm gonna take it with, yeah, one of these brushes and mix it and just spread all of that, like apply. Then I'll go in with the beauty blender after. Oh, it's a little bit light. No worries. Oh, this is so nice. Actually, I'm just gonna go in with this brush and then, yeah, beauty blender after. Always remember to go down the neck and the ears as well. Okay, that looks good for the base. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just dab over that just to take off any excess product and kind of make it look a little more airbrushed. Oh, and this beauty blender is wet, or damp, you could say. Now for concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is a brand new one because Natalie stole mine and moved out. So this is in the shade Medium Sand. Oh, let me talk about what shade this Giorgio Armani. This is in 6.5, and then these bronzer drops, I think they might be 10. It says 10 on the bottom. And then The Dewdrops, or the Dewdrop knockoffs, is in the shade Bronze Gold. This is in medium sand. This stuff, when people like draw on a whole bunch of this, I don't know how, because you need almost nothing. I say almost nothing and then I'm putting it all over my face. This I'm taking with my beauty blender because I really want this to blend out in a sheer layer. I don't wear foundation normally because I just think that the Glotion just looks better on a day-to-day basis. It just looks like my skin but better. So wearing foundation is so weird. I just feel like foundation, it's so hard to find a shade that matches you perfectly in all lighting. So that's why I kind of just avoid it. Now I'm gonna just continue going with the skin. So I have some breakouts. So I think the closest shade would be this illuminating stick by, yeah. It's an illuminating stick by Laura Mercier. I'm just gonna take a little bit on my hand. I think it's almost empty. It's almost empty. Nothing's coming out. In the shade, it's called Candle Glow Concealer and Highlighter in shade number 2. So I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of this and just dab over my imperfections. And I know a lot of people say don't highlight acne, but sometimes I think that if it's so reflective that it just like bounces off and you can't even see like what's under it, you know? So this works fine for me. I'm just gonna continue with my skin. I'm gonna go in with these Revolution highlighting drops again. These dry down, so I would make sure you blend this out when you put it on. I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush again and just kind of blend the seams of this highlighter. The look I'm going for is just a very like bronzy, healthy looking skin, and then I think a winged liner is what I'm gonna go for, and just like some strip lashes because I didn't have time to do lash extensions. So that's my plan. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. This is the loose one. I'm gonna put some of this on my eyelids too, just to prevent creasing. I'm gonna take a little bit of this powder on a really, really big, soft and fluffy brush like this, and I'm just gonna dust it super lightly over where I put my contour, because I don't want my bronzer to kind of like stick to the foundation and look patchy. Oh my gosh, that was a lot. Super light dusting. For my bronzer, I'm actually going to take this MAC brush. It was limited edition. It came in like a Christmas collection, but it's just a angled, fluffy, natural hair brush. Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in medium deep. And I'm just kind of gonna put it like in my contours, not necessarily contouring, just kind of like warming up my skin a little more and bringing a little bit more dimension back to it. I always want to make sure that my makeup matches my neck and chest. So I'm bringing down my bronzer, and as well as my ears. I'm also bronzing my ears. I was talking to someone at school the other day, and they were like, oh my gosh, you're one of the tannest people I know. And I was like, I am literally fooling everyone, because I get pale in the winter, and it's just because I fake tan, but clearly it's working. So I guess, yeah, I am pretty tan, and I do tan well. It's just that in the winter I get pale as well. Let's move on to eyes. Actually, eyebrow. No, eyes. Let's do eyes. I'm gonna take Soft Brown by MAC. This is like my go-to color I washed all my brushes. I don't know if you guys can tell, I washed them like a couple days ago and haven't used them since. So I'm just gonna take this Sigma E25 blending brush. I'm just gonna put that all over the lids and into the crease and kind of smoke it out. I want this to look super diffused and like you can't really tell if I'm wearing eyeshadow or not. Perfect. Hello. Okay, we're back. I just finished blending this out, basically just smoking it out. And I think I'm just gonna leave it like this, honestly. A little deeper, a little deeper. I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Shadow in Buck. And I'm gonna go on an even smaller brush, and this is a Morphe 514. This really tiny blending brush, and I'm going to take the smallest amount of this color and just blend it, focus mostly in the outer corner. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see my eyes better. Is that better? That's what the eyes look like for the eyeshadow, and I might put on some lower lash eyeshadow after I finish my wing liner. So now I'm gonna do my wing eyeliner, and I'm gonna do this off camera because I literally can't, I can barely do it like in a mirror, so there's no way I'm gonna be able to get it like in focus. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I just did my winged eyeliner and applied mascara, and now I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows, and I'm trying to contemplate whether I should put lashes on or not because I'm under a serious time crunch. I didn't realize it's 4:10 right now, and I need to be at the clubhouse for pictures at 4:30, so. I've been really lightly filling in my eyebrows recently. Trying to go for that natural look. I'm going to put on some setting spray and then apply fake lashes. Oh, I forgot to do my brow gel. Crucial step. I used the Tarte Man-Eater, which is the mini, has little cheetah print on it. And then obviously Brow Wiz and clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh my gosh, the glue is not dry enough. Does this look bad? Oh. Okay, yeah, I got them on. Now, I need them to dry so that I can mesh them together. I'm gonna put my dress on. I'll be right back. Okay, I totally didn't film the rest of that, but I'll film more when I get to pictures because I'm running so late. But I'm just grabbing some jewelry. This looks good. Okay, let's get it.
Bro, it's time to go.
Dress is Princess Polly. Shoes are Michael Kors.
Sorry. It's only been 2 minutes.
That's all I'm wearing right now.
Wait, I don't know if I did that right.
You did it right. Hey, Chloe's vlog. I've been waiting for this video.
I thought you were taking a picture.
Hey, yo, so Sadie'S, you know, 2018, we're gonna be going
Next.
like, comment, and subscribe.
I'm just Chloe, Barbu, yeah.
Yeah? Okay, you come here. Are we taking a picture?
He's vlogging.
Already have a blister, 10 minutes in. What? I got a blister already.
What should we say?
It's so dark. Wait.
What should we say? Well, this happened. Chloe has eyelashes, so that's gonna help. Do you have anything to say?
Chloe looks really terrible right now.
Wait! Hi. This is my favorite restaurant, and I've been craving caboodles for, excuse me, okay, 2.5 months.
Nick's sister is at the other table.
Yes, you got that, Nick. That's all you.
Get it!
Yes, sir! Yeah, yeah! He's in a different right now! Yes, sir! Do it! Oh!